it seems you try to hide. You have
Para sa aking asawa, babe,
gift that I
Virgin,
can't deny.
naalala mo nung una tayo
Beneath the
nagkita,
sky, your love is a lullaby.
sobrang saya ko
You
kasi
become a shelter from the
isang araw hinahanap
rain.
mo ako.
You are the reason
Sobrang swerte ko dahil ikaw aking napangasawa ngayon. Masipag na, mapagmahal,
let me be the
lalo na
one
sa mga anak natin.
lead you in this life we choose to live. And
After this day, mas totoyoin pa ako at mas mamahalin ko pa ikaw at saka yung mga bata.
to take you in.
Regine, did you come here of your free will to bind yourself forever in the love of your husband?
Yes, I do.
Right in my arms is where I'll keep you.
Christian, did you come here of your free will to bind yourself forever in the love of your beautiful wife?
Yes, start.
Natupad na yung pinapangarap nyo. Ang wish ko sa inyo, lifetime of happiness, joy, and unwavering love.
Your power to move without a reason. I will love you just the same.
Dale, Tong Ichan. Noong una tayong nagkita, parehong magulo ang mundo natin. Iba't ibang klaseng napagdaanan, pero tayo ang nagsilbing sandal. Boom! Mula sa lighter at bote, naging gatas at sandok ang hawak mo. Proud na proud ako sa kung ano ka ngayon. Hindi kailangan hindi ka ng iba, not perfect but everyday improving.
But here, right in my arms is where I'll keep you.
Christian, do you take Regine here present for your lovely wife?
Yes, I will.
Do you give yourself to her as per husband?
Yes.
Do you accept her as your wife?
Yes, I
Salamat sa mga ginawa at ginagawa mo para sa akin at sa mga bata ko. Bare minimum man yan para sa iba, pero para sa tao na iba ang paningaw dati sa buhay, sobrang grateful ako. I promise to always have your back kasi partnership life tayo. Best inuman buddies and loving parents ng mga bata. Mahal ko kayo ng mga bata. Mamahalin ko kayo kahit naging adobo, hanang at natulog po. I love you, Miss Chan.
It's only just the best is yet to come. The story has just begun. Just begun.
Maraming salamat na tinanggap mo kahit medyo bad boy. Ito nga asawa mo minsan topak pero isa lang pinapangako ko sa'yo. Mamahal kita at ang mga anak natin. Araw-araw kitang aalaga, bibigyan ng stress. Kaya sa harap ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, pangako kong mamahalin kita at pagsisilbihan habang ako'y nabubuhay. I love you.
It's a movie. Red carpet, the lights going through me. Anytime I arrive, it's the new me. Real diamonds on my neck, that's groupies. Flashing lights. All these things come to me. Dressed in price. All my rings got weight to it. You feel that? You feel that? Classic. classic. If I drop any day, it's a classic. Any wave that I'm on, it's a classic. Hey, you heard that? Classic, classic, classic. If I drop any day, it's a classic. Any move that I make, it's a classic. Hey, you heard that? Classic,